guys, today we're going to make nice, savoury, tasty Masala Cheese Cookies. It's very easy to make with this step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin on the ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, half a teaspoon of black seed, half a cup of butter, 1 cup of cheese, and 1 egg yolk. In a bowl, firstly we're going to mix our flour with our sesame seeds, black seeds and curry powder. Now we're adding our cheddar cheese and mix it together. Now we're adding our egg yolk and we're going to mix that in as well. Next we're adding our butter and we're going to rub that in with our flour mixture. And combine that into a dough. Now sprinkle your flour onto your board so your dough doesn't stick, and you're going to roll out your cookie dough. Roll out your dough so it's half an inch thick. Now with a cookie cutter or a circular shaped item, you're going to dip it in some flour and cut out your cookie shapes. We preheated our oven and we lined the tray with tin foil. If you don't use tin foil, you need to brush your tray with oil so your cookies don't stick. Now we're going to put our cookies onto our tray. Make sure you preheated your oven 20 minutes before baking. Now we're going to put this in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes to bake. Once the cookies are baked, you're going to take them out and leave them to cool down. So here we have our Masala Cheese Cookies. They're nice and savoury and very tasty to eat. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.